In section 1, we talk about the intersection point of the angle bisectors of a triangle. If I construct a triangle ABC, I can bisect all of the angles of the triangle. Let me use my angle bisector tool here. If I want to bisect angle ACB, I just click on ACB, and then the angle with the vertex C is bisected. So these angles on either side are congruent. Each of them is half of angle ACB. Let's bisect angle CBA and then angle BAC. And then all three of those angle bisectors all intersect at a single point, and that point is referred to as the incenter of the triangle. And that incenter has the special property that it is the same distance from all three sides. Now, the distance to the side, by that we mean the perpendicular distance, the shortest distance. So the distance from C to side AC would have to be along a perpendicular line. So let me construct a perpendicular line here that goes to AC but goes through point D. I'll do the same thing for this side. Same thing here. And then I want to put points where those intersections are. Use my intersect tool. And so this point, this point, and this point. So the distance to all three sides are the same. So segment DE is congruent to segment DF, and that's congruent to segment DG. And I can use my measuring tool to actually show that all three of those distances are the same. The distance from D to E, the distance from D to F, and the distance from D to G. All three exactly the same length. And that incenter, as we pointed out, is always on the inside of the triangle. And it's also, if we let point D be the center of a circle and put any of these 3 points on the edge of the circle, all three of them would be on the circle. So if I construct a circle here, as so, that goes from point D to point G, DG is a radius, then DE and oops, my other point here. There we go. Let's move that off of that point there. So DF is a radius, DG is a radius, and DE is a radius of that circle. That's the inscribed circle, in the triangle, and so D is the incenter, which is the center of that circle. So to summarize that, the incenter is the intersection point of the three angle bisectors. The incenter is equidistant from all three sides of the triangle. And it's the center of the circle that's inscribed in the triangle. And the incenter is always on the interior of the triangle.